right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see. This lift could use a few dry cells. Let's see what you're hiding down there, old friend. Alright, how do I get this to work? Who put this here? Oh my god. Joey, what were you doing? Hey, here's my old desk. I wasted so much time in this chair. Looks like they knocked out a wall or two after I left. Guess it took a few people to replace me.
I don't get what Joey's plan is for this company. The animations sure aren't being finished on time anymore, and I simply don't see why we need this machine. It's noisy, it's messy, and it won't need that much ink anyway. Also, Joey has each one of us donate something from our workstation. We put them on these little pedestals in the break room to help appease the gods, Joey says. Keep things going. I think he's lost his mind, but hey, he's writing the check. But I tell you what, if one more of these pipes burst, I'm out of here.
Okay, that's all of them. just need to get the ink flowing somehow. Should be a switch around here somewhere. Then I can start up the main power.